pretty.
I love a cocktail lounge piano. Outside a drizzle, gray. New York City, enveloped in a light mist.
Did you do the concert previews or are you doing it right now?
I'm doing it right now, the top 9.
It's just like $10 for one.
No, it's like $4. Well, you gotta get it from like Target or Walmart.
Everybody on as far as
That's cool. I did. What is this for? Oh, it was one. It's not bad actually. It's not bad though.
Hello guys, so I just got done getting ready and I'm gonna be heading to school right now, but after school I have a lot of stuff to get done, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So I forgot to show you guys my outfit, but I'll probably show you guys when I get to school. But yes, I am gonna be on my way to school right now and I will show you guys when I get to school.
back to a term, I guarantee you had 9th grade biology with you're some zebra and a lion has leapt out and ripped your stomach open and your innards are dragging in the dust and you still.
Hello guys, so I just got out of my psychology class. I'm not gonna go to my biology class, so I'm just gonna go to like a cafe and like study there until I get some of my work finished. Hello guys, so I just got out of Barnes and Noble. I really wanted to get a book, but none of the books really like spoke to me like that, and they didn't have the book that I specifically wanted, so I probably just had to order online. guys, I am currently at the mall. It's currently raining, but it's really cold today. So I just got out of the bakery, but I got this. This is the vanilla raspberry, and then I also got a cannoli. Right here. Frosting kind of tastes like store-bought frosting. This is the cannoli. Oh yeah, it's actually really
That's good, huh? That's really good.
I had to wait for a little bit for like the flavors to set in.
Kicking, huh?
That's
bomb.
Hello guys. So I have an exam today for my biology class, and then I have another exam for my psychology next upcoming week. I'm gonna get ready, so I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup, because if I failed, it's okay because I don't look ugly, you know. So I got done doing my makeup. I don't really think you guys could tell, but right now I am currently doing some assignments, and then I'm also studying for my biology exam in a bit. So yes, my class doesn't start until 12, so I'm just doing a little bit of studying and assignments before I head to school. Hello guys, so right now I just picked up my DoorDash order from Wingstop and from the taco place. I got some Parmesan corn with some wings and also some cheese fries. And then these are my tacos. These are the queso birria tacos. They look so good. Oh my gosh. I have not had tacos in such a long time. Oh my god. The honey mustard is good.